The following contest will be contested under hardcore rules. Introducing first, Slight.
It's no longer Slight. You're now looking at Max, the Maniac Mason!
He's changed his name. Distancing himself from Switchblade, I say. And his opponent. The self-proclaimed best in the universe. The man himself, Switchblade. An intense physical rivalry between two former best friends. These two were formerly part of the stable known as the Agency back in just a short time ago. Hold on a second. Oh, come on. Not again. We just had to have him come out now, do we? Can we start putting this on the program so I know what the fuck's going on?
I'm in your head, mate. I'm in your head.
We got a match on the way. Can we do it?
Oh, we're just watching.
All right.
Enjoying the view, I guess, if you can call it that.
Ring the bell. Now the man formerly known as Slight, now known as Max Mason, the Maniac with the pedigree.
How can you focus on this match when the champ's here? Seriously.
Can I do my job and just commentate? If
You
that's
do
okay?
what you need to do. You get paid a certain amount, I get paid better.
Yeah, well, I know you're higher on the pay grade than me, but I've got a job to do. I've got kids to put through fucking school. Oh, a big spine buster. From the beast, Max Mason, the Maniac. Oh, an elbow drop.
Maybe we should see if we can get Mason out payroll. What do
Yeah.
you reckon?
He might have more relevancy than he has lately.
Oh, hey, whoa. Which way did he spit on Max Mason? I think he did.
I'm on, bitch!
Okay. This is getting vicious.
That's not getting vicious.
Maybe Switch could finally get a win.
He is on a bit of a losing streak, unfortunately. Oh! Kendo stick just wrapped it around his kidneys. That's not going to tickle.
And the ball, man! I got an idea.
Oh.
Getting whacked up on the common sense side.
Hit him!
Right between the shoulder blades.
Hit him again!
Hit him so hard he broke the ring. Oh! I felt that from here.
You wanted to be a wrestler, well, get out of bullshit.
Now he's just choking him with it.
Joking around and pushing him beyond the dog shit.
You want to go?
The Maniac!
Oh, no sideline! One of you bitches just go already. Where the agency?
That would have to be the most vicious shot with the kendo stick I've ever seen.
Kill him!
Look at Uranagi.
Yeah!
Falling Uranagi. And now the Maniac has a steel chair.
Yeah,
Right in the head again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. He just keeps doing it.
Oh, that's bullshit. How you roll out?
Let's go, Max Mason.
Hey, Maxi pad.
Let's go, Max Mason.
This is getting vicious.
I
He's split. Is he split? Yes, he is. He's busted. Switchblade has been busted.
Oh, mate. That's going to need a stay. Let's go, Max
He's got a hole in his head. I think Switchblade's got a hole in his head.
Let's go, Max Mason.
Why are the fans throwing weapons into the ring? Stop throwing weapons into the ring. No. What are we going to do?
Back in.
Oh, right in the side of the head. This is getting vicious. Splash! He's definitely is a maniac. I'm keeping my distance from me. He scares me. I'd rather be talking to Chase than be anyone here.
Yeah, he was the 60 side. He was doing 80 Ks.
He was doing 60 on you in the bathroom.
Oh,
That was
nasty. You nasty.
That nasty fuck just raking his fingernails across his forehead. This is getting vicious.
You okay?
We apologise if... Oh my god, he's got Switchblade's blood in his forehead.
He's had worse than Switchblades in him.
Oh god, can we just... We have legalised violence in the ring and Chase is just taking it literally. Or liberally, I should say.
Beat the shit out of each other, guys. Make it easy for the champ.
Oh! This is getting vicious. I'm not liking where this is going. No. No! No! Switchblade is going to somehow... Wait, ladies and gentlemen, we apologise for the graphicness of the... No. Oh, God. Oh, please, please, please no. Please no. Please no. You can end his career. No! Oh, oh my god. We may need medical attention.
We got the champ here, mate.
Where is it? And now Switchblade has a 2x4. He's got a plank of wood. I'm too close to the action.
Let's do that. He's doing 45.
No. Just God, no. God. Please.
Oh. You won't do it. You won't do it. You're a bitch.
Oh! Into the back with the tremor.
There goes his government job.
There's your government job now, you pansy bitch!
Maniacs is going to absolute town on Switchblade.
You get your blood.
And there's not a great deal the ref can do.
Get out, Switchblade, get him!
This is violent. I'm like...
Get him!
Straight onto his forehead. That's just gonna open him up. Whoa. Hey.
Disrespectful.
Chase is... Switchblade's known for spitting at people. You don't want to spit at the maniac. What's Chase doing? Spear! Spear!
Stop Brittany!
Ask him if he quit.
Are you kidding me? Do I quit?
I thought it was hardcore rules, not like quit match.
Do I quit? You're fine.
Okay, so this isn't like quit match. I apologise.
Get it, Switchblade! Come on!
Maniac is just... Max Mason is just covered in his former partner's blood. His former best friend's blood. These two used to be inseparable brothers.
Yeah, look at them now.
And Chase is still making my job difficult.
Oh! Oh, slippery when wet.
He just lost control. This is really what
Now he's just trying to choke him
Oh,
out.
now he's getting squirted on.
This is getting... We apologise if you have children watching this.
bullshit.
I had no idea how graphic this was going to get.
Oh, God.
Come on, Max, mate.
Yeah, give him that slippery when wet.
Oh, the DDT onto the sign.
Oh, you lost control.
Yeah, quit already.
Yes.
Take your shot.
I ain't done with him yet.
You ain't no champ.
Chump.
Hashtag chump.
He gets it.
He got slippery and he dodged it.
I like this guy now.
What's he? No.
Switchblade
What's he doing?
attempting to do a finisher.
Oh, stomp on the sign. Stomp on the sign.
You're gonna fail like Click does. Max Mason! Max Mason!
Max Mason! Max Mason! Max Mason!
Max Mason's doing it for the people!
Come on, Switchblade!
What's Switchblade doing? What's he doing? He just tossed him like a sack of shit.
Yeah! That's why you always keep it in.
Yeah, Tracy, baby.
This is about me! Subway!
We all know what the people want to see, bitch!
Got SW, I'm just waiting around for the main event.
Just
Some people we are making something
What's-
good.
Switchblade's going for a ladder.
Oh, Switchblade, you're finally doing something more than singing!
He's throwing some balls and wraps and weapons.
Switch, bitch.
And now he's just, I'm not sure what he's going to do. No, oh God. He's not going to do what I think he's going to do. You've already tried killing the man.
Oh no!
What's he going to
No,
do?
no! No, no, no! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no!
No.
Ask
No.
him.
No, 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 no,
If
no,
you
no.
don't
No.
quit Ace Lane, I'm gonna smash
No.
your head.
Thanks, Max Mason.
I don't want a Max Mason sandwich. I'm not that hungry.
Ah, yeah, pussy, you don't want to take a... Oh. Let's see how you like to smash that bitch.
Pure
Yeah, you
pro,
little bitch.
Pure pro.
Yeah, you little cunt.
Yeah! Yeah, give him the reality he
Ruin
did!
No.
Your government job, your senior career is going down.
He's not going to do it.
Ruin him, Max.
No.
No.
Please don't.
No.
Oh! Oh!
Quitter! Come on, do it for your fans. Do it for the people that watch us, pay to watch us, huh?
No, leave him alone. He's trying. He's trying his damn hardest.
No, he's not.
An open palm slap. That was counted. Switchblade with a crossface.
Yeah.
Don't quit.
Come on, Max Mason.
Don't quit.
Tickle his
Do it,
nostrils.
Switchblade.
Use a chair to your advantage. He's trying to get your hand, boy. Sausage. Oh.
Agency 2.0.
I didn't realise the agency came from Grindr.
Well, they are cheap.
Finally, something me and Chase can agree. Oh, yeah, that's an unscrupulous slap to the back of the head. And now again with a spine buster. He got all of it. This has got to be it. Switchblade is out. He doesn't
No.
quit.
That's bullshit, rat.
He doesn't quit.
Just knock him out.
He thinks he's going to be a champion. He can't even make it through this match.
What's he going to do? What's he doing now? He's got that crutch. What's he going to do? Oh no. Oh no.
Leave the camera on him.
Oh no. He quit. Max Mason quit. Switchblade won. And your winner. Switchblade. And how is the Maniac even standing? How is Max Mason standing?
That's why they're gonna.
Oh no. No again. And the final exclamation point has been made by Max Mason. But at the end of the day, it's Switchblade who came up with the victory.